Moving on, breaking news coming in. An Air India A320 aircraft VTC IH operating AI 2896 sector Delhi to Dubai. I beg your pardon. Involved in an event of air turn back owing to no water in the lab and gallery. During the cruise, aircraft landed safely at Delhi. The breaking news coming in. A Dubai-bound Air India flight lands in Delhi. There was a technical glitch, the landing due to no water. It turned back owing to no water in the lab and the galley during cruise. The aircraft landed safely at New Delhi. Harsha, my colleague, joins us on the phone line. Harsha, over to you. Help us with more details.
So yes, the plane which was the Air India flight which was supposed to go from New Delhi to Dubai was diverted because there was no water in the lab and the gallery during the cruise, and the pilot got to know about it after the takeoff only, and immediately the flight came back, and it was the air turn back in the New Delhi airport only. The flight has landed safely, all the passengers are safe, and they were deboarded, and the alternate aircraft for all the passengers for this particular flight from New Delhi to Dubai is being arranged right now. What we have been told is that the flight was scheduled to depart from New Delhi to the sector of Dubai in the wee hours of the morning, but now till now the alternate aircraft has not been arranged. The prelim report and the entire issue has been shared with the DGCA by the Air India officials, and soon we have been told at around 2 or 3 o'clock there will be the alternate flight arrangement for all the passengers who were traveling from New Delhi to Dubai, but not in this particular aircraft, as this particular aircraft has been gone for the maintenance and repair, as there was issue in the lab and the gal of the particular flight.
That's right. Harsha, thank you for joining us and giving us these details. But stay on. We have some more news and updates coming in. Viewers, some more breaking news coming in. An Air India flight has been diverted to Jaipur due to a medical emergency. An Air India flight from the national capital to Vijayawada was diverted to Jaipur due to a medical emergency today morning, according to a source. The source said an elderly passenger became unwell on board the flight AI2517, following which the flight was diverted to Jaipur, where the passenger was deboarded and taken to the hospital. In fact, the details about the number of passengers in the flight could not be asserted. Harsha still with us on the phone line. Harsha, what is the update coming in terms of this particular news where an Air India flight was diverted due to a medical emergency this morning?
Yes, you rightly pointed out this was the Air India flight which is scheduled to depart around 12:15 in the afternoon and was supposed to reach at Vijayawada at around 2:45 p.m. in the afternoon, but there was a medical emergency on board the flight. There was elderly passengers who got really unwell after boarding the flight when the flight took off, and immediately the flight was diverted to Jaipur after departing and after taking off. Like, it's been almost 20-25 minutes where the passenger really felt unwell, and he was assisted by the crew members. The pilot in command was told to divert the flight immediately to the another sector. The nearby sector was Jaipur, and the flight diverted to Jaipur, and while upon landing the passenger was deboarded and the airport staff was contacted, and he was immediately taken to the hospital. The flight which was diverted to Jaipur, the information has been shared by the regulatory body as well, and after landing and after making a medical emergency at the Jaipur airport, the flight in another 1 hour will depart for Vijayawada from Jaipur itself, but for some time the passengers had to face inconvenience because of the medical situation on board the aircraft. But the information which has been shared by Air India, they have clearly stated that there was no other issue in the aircraft,